that one finds scalars h and k, and we're still on geometry of vectors. Geometry of vectors. One find scalars h and k in the 3 marks in most cases because in against simultaneous equation. I did it. Right. I've seen channel for my ratios at time but I've just tried to use the simplest ones. But our aim here is to find h and k, so I've just used the simple ratios. So let's look at this question and assume that this question is like the previous one. It's trapezium. And now you have a as it trapezium. I said A, B, na OC are parallel. And given that OA is vector A, vector OC is vector B, OC is 2AB, OC is double AB. And then OX, and XB are in the ratio of 3:2. Express the following in terms of A and or B. This is how they ask now. Vector A, item 1, vector AB, vector OB, vector OX. So let's try to answer the question nicely. So from A to B, vector AB means from A to B, from A to G to B. Second, A to B. I name a route to array. We check if I go this. Do I know AC? I don't know. I also don't know CB. Saka ibudi aliti. As A or A, they want aliti. Na O C they want. As I want CB. Sa route ID aite. Mwanzaba route zali zaramba. Wenda ku raw data. Apa zwanga po area about AB. What about the OC is equal to 2AB, but OC is equal to AB. Since these are parallel lines, what do? We make AB subject of G or formula. And now our parallel lines. So we divide by what? By 2 both sides. Are we together? Therefore, OC over 2 is half OC. Now go over. Surround AB now. Therefore, AB is now a vector. Now, vector AB is equal to half vector G OC. Then we now substitute. Do we know the value of vector OC? It is given as vector B. Do you know? Vector B. This is now my answer. Then item 2, OB, from O to B, from O to B. Kaji jinji, answer ya wana, we use it for next. So OB, I can say, if I say OC, this one it, I see B apana, second root ID, I can take the other route from O to A, then A to B. This one. Then I say OA plus AB. Let's go. What is OA? Vector OA ndiani? The A. Ko AB. Taweka lidi. Ndiani? Half B. That's our OB. Let's go. Then vector OX. Item 3. OX. From O to X, from O to X. I can say OA, then AX. I can say OA, AB, as it base. What? No. Whenever you parochi data, a link for information regarding OX. OX and G, XB. And the ratio of what? 3:2. Does it go? Then Kurakuti OX in a G 3 parts. For XB in a G 2 2 parts. For the whole line energy 5. Baby 3 plus 2. And 3 parts plus 2 parts, we get 5 parts. So OX in 3 parts out of the 5 parts of our line OB. Let's go enough. Kutaura pachivano. And kuti therefore OX is 3 parts out of the 5 parts of the whole line of what? Of OB. Let's go enough. Tagadrachi an equation from a ratio. Now 3 over 5. Do you have OB? You put a bracket, you write down A plus half B. Then apply everything by the 3 over 5 altogether. You know the expanding the brackets. Second 3 over 5. Vector A. Then 3 over 5 multiplied by half. 3 multiplied by 1 diani, the 3. Then 5 multiplied by 2 diani, the 10. Je vous montre égalité. Tout ça c'est, je m'appelle je dis Vega. This is our B. Pensez quoi là? Pas dire on va. Ande pa nejanas. B, given that AB is HOC and AB is HOC, express OB in terms of vector A, vector B, and scalar H. Type what AB and yani the HOC. Vadi pa AB, vavuza OB. Kumbaita mistake. Mazona. Vadi pa AB, vavuza OB. Second man, in your answer, nani na H. Once you can find that very easy. Vanda could buy the H. Second H happy na want to move from O to B, but H happy first by G A B. Mawala. So do say put it A B happy mundaro and because A B na H and it told G I can say then O B I can say O A then plus ani AB. Mazona banditi. It means about AB wali wapinda. Anwa na H. Hadi. Mazona. Saka ndoli hapa. What is OA? OA and this is this. What is AB? And G is G H ani sorry H O C. HOGC. Then now we substitute. So what is OA? What is OA? Yes, OA is simply vector A and D. Call our HOC. HOC, what is OC? B and D. So these are our AB, OB. Let's go. Then anybody per C, given also that and also that OB and vector OB is equal to K vector OX. Express OB in terms of AB and scalar K. Equal and Tagapa OB and this. What is the OB? I tell you so. We are given OB in the one OB. And so we simply substitute K. What is OX? Do you have OX? Tabe one and this. Kubuzia. Apo. 3 over 5 A plus 3 over 10 B. Let's go. Then what we do? We multiply in constant K. So this is K over 1 and this is K over G. So K over 3. 3K over G or 5 vector A. And this or 3 over 5K plus 3 over 10K B. So I'm going to write this OB. That's the way up. Mandi wa we Hallelujah. Oh, so all right. D. Use the results in B and C. Use the G in B and G to find the value of H and K. What are the results of B and what is the result? Answer. Answer is B and C. Shaka H and K. Chotanga, write down the results. What's the result of B? OB, vector OB is equal to what? Vector A plus H, vector B. You can call it equation G. What is it? Call if that B up. You can ask DC. OB is equal to 3K over 5A plus 3K over G 10B. You like equation G2. But now look, OB is equal to OB. It means this side is equal to this G side. Therefore, A plus HB is equal to 3 over 5 KA plus 3 over 10 KB. Do you agree? Since OB is equal to OB, it means even their children are also equal. And whenever I find out, E is equal to E. Let's go. There, this one is called equal G vector. Equal G vector. So, in equal vector, the same vector in the same G scalar. And you can say, guys, using simple algebraic knowledge, I can say vector A is equal to vector G, A and D. I can come up with the two equations here. A and vector A is equal to 3 over 5 KA. And then divided by G by A and both sides and it. So the A will disappear altogether. Divided by G by A. Let me do it. Divided by A, divided by A. So this comes out, and this comes out. So 1 is equal to 3K over G over 5. I can have equation G. I know 3 and it. This will go. G, B and it. The vector B is equal to G, vector G, B. Put H, B is equal to 3 over 10 kg B. Divided by G by B and it. Want to remove the vector, could send money in my scalar base. Divided by B, vector B, divided by vector B. This will cancel out. So H is equal to 3K over G over 10. This now equation what? Equation 4. Now we solve. We now solve. I can come here. Is it fine? We now solve equation. Solve equation 3 and 4 simultaneously. Let's go. Let's bring them together to make sense. 1 is equal to 3 over 5K. Now H is equal to 3K 10. So then I knew what it is. I could solve equation 3 firstly. You also figure out it. So consider equation 3. 1 is equal to 3 over 5K. 3K over 5. Don't be cross G. 1 times 3K 3K is equal to 5 times 1 5. I want K only. What should I do? Divide by 3. So what is K? K is equal to 5 over G. CRG improper fraction. K abuda nini? Wafunzwa hapo. Pasala G kusaka H. Ino kataona A K guys. Consider equation 4, which is H is equal to 3 over 10K. Now I want H now. I remove K and put this value. And substitution. Then H is equal to 3 over 10 multiplied by what is k? 5 over 3. Then 5 times 3 ndiani? 15. 14 times 3, 30. Then we reduce. Then upper half. Therefore, h is equal to half. This becomes our answer. That's the power number. I'm going to do chana nokuti masvikira pakati ndizvi. Then ko Mr. Nyanga chikerema mawisawo. Mango mudzura ka. Zata my Linux. Right, Malcolm. Right, Janelle. Right, Quinton. Ashford. No, those are sister Precious na sister Natalie. Sinani. Muzazi zvekubveka kuti angoti zvekubvei. Ati shamba. Muvaro. Zaramba. All right. Rodin. Zvakadi. Make sense. Right. I expect Munangaspo, Mamfaro, Quindon, Natalie, Precious, Janelle. Oh, now I'm foreign. They were Nasanangurai. They were not there. They might be have some challenges because of these ratios. Kungo Filangodi, even Mam's is running my so my double loss. Anyway, took up by YouTube. So go to our YouTube channel, go to the videos. Any question before our cameraman stops? Any question? Come on, Vunzaditi. Zamene pa YouTube pa nditi. Mind hapo ka. Chiroka wona pa kabisa nditi. Uno Vunzaditi. No tepa nditi. When those was one, then I will reply. I can even call you. We find that no Vunzaditi. Because one will get from Vunzaditi. I go to the comments. But I say, "Apa napa Vunzaditi? Zokora nditi." Then I will make that even a WhatsApp video nditi for you. You tell them what nditi. Don't send it. That's it. No phone. Can I reply pama comment section ya nditi. Then do either on a WhatsApp or the same platform or face to face if you are not very far. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next lesson. Finding ratios, the last part of vectors. Thank you.